Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial I want to walk you through the personal design section. Okay, so this is going to be one of the core important parts of using Artistly, because your designs, the majority of the designs, are going to appear here in the personal design section. So what I love about the personal design section, and I'll walk you through, first of all, once you select personal designs, you'll have the ability of actually compartmentalizing the graphics you create with this AI from the AI image designer, the upscaler section, the stylizer, and you have AI text and image. Okay, you've got all of these sections first and foremost. Now, very simply put, you'll have your graphic here. Okay, so you will have the ability, if you want to do bulk removal, and you can select which ones you want or which ones you want to remove first and foremost. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there for the moment. Okay, secondly, when you do hover across the graphic in the section of personal designs, you will see the three icons will be visible. The first one will allow you to open up the image or the graphic and view the graphic. The second one will allow you to edit the image. Now when you select edit this image, it'll actually transport you and redirect you to the advanced AI image designer. Okay, so you've got that freehand canvas where you could go ahead and do more complex and advanced tasks using Artistly. Okay, and I'll show you that in just a moment. And then thirdly, you have the ability to go ahead and download the graphic. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and view this graphic. So this will be the graphic here, and you'll have the ability of either making this private if it's public, and you'll see some additional information here about this particular graphic design. Okay, and you'll see that again time and time again. Now for more complex graphics, there may be a slight variation. So if I scroll down, let's see if I can find a much more comprehensive graphic. Here we have an image here of this gentleman behind the moon, and you will see if you have a design prompt, that's where it would appear. Okay, and if I go to this gentleman here, you can see there's another simple design prompt. And for more complex ones, you will get a much larger design prompt here. So if there's ever a case you like a design and you like the prompt, you can always come back here and use that design. And the good thing is, when you're in the personal design section and you've created a design, depending on where it was created, so this one was used within the AI image designer, it will give you a few more features, okay, in respect to the design where it was created. Say for example, you can go ahead and regenerate that particular design, or if, say for example, if your object, or if there was a hand or maybe some text, if there was some kind of challenges, or maybe a blurred hand, or maybe the text may not be the best it could be, you can always train up the AI and have it fix the image, so you could reproduce it but enhance or fix any issues in that image. Okay, you can use it as many times as you want. And then also you also have the ability to share on social media, whether it's Facebook, X, and Pinterest. And if I draw your attention to folder, now folder just allows you to keep everything nice and organized. So you just imagine whether it's for personal client projects, now you have the ability of having everything nice and organized. I think that's going to be important for those that may have, like me, if you're OCD and you want to have things nice and tidy, you can do so. So in order to create a folder, you will have just this section here. Just simply select the plus button and you can create any name there, and then you can add the folder here. You can see I've created test folder. Anytime you can edit that, or you can delete it. And then once you go to graphic, if you want to move that particular graphic to a designated folder of your choosing that you've created for yourself or a client project, simply go to folder, and from the drop down you see test folder, and there you go, it's now moved to the test folder. Now next, in order to find that folder, simply go to all folders here in the drop down, select test folder, and any graphic that you may have transported and sent across will be located in your folder that you have created. And here you can see this is the image that we sent, and it is now in that folder. Now I'll show you the other feature here. So if I go to edit, if I select that, it will now redirect us, taking that graphic to the advanced AI image designer through all of the prompts of the home screen of the advanced image designer section. Now we have the design that we've taken from the fast image designer of Artistly. Now we're in the advanced section where we can actually add, you know, more images, text. We can add shapes. We can change the background remover, and all these additional amazing features that you may have. So obviously right now we have a consistent pattern design, but if you have any designs, if it's a person, object, whatever it may be, we can enhance that using the additional features that are within the advanced AI image designer section. Okay, so very important things to remember, but just as a recap, let's go back. So if we go back to create design, once we go in the fast AI image designer, personal designs. So anytime you create graphics, they will always be redirected to the personal design section. And that's where you would follow the prompts here. Okay, this is the ability or the features you have available to you using the personal design section. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in another video.